Not all Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 or the Note 14 phones has this feature, but with HyperOS 2 and Android 15, you can check to see if your phone has it. It's called the speed up charging. To see if your Xiaomi phone has this feature, use the quick access, and with HyperOS 2, you're looking for the setting toggle right there. As you enter here now, go down until you see the battery section. Just look for battery right here. And once you're in the battery section here, you'll see these different battery options, and one of them would be charging options. As you go here, you will see a little like double arrow here. And when you tap on it, you're gonna get the option to have standard or speed up. So basically the speed up will work with the original wired plug-in charger that your Xiaomi phone came with. This is a Redmi Note 13 Pro phone here, and check to see if your Note 14 also has this feature, but it only works with the original charger, and it's gonna cause your device to heat up when using this for a long period of time. So just use it when you really need to. So if this guide helped, like and sub.